Hello everybody, I am Vartika Kanpal from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School. Standard 2nd, subject English Grammar. Topic Articles. Today we are going to learn about articles. What are articles? Articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun, like the boy, a bee, an apple. Over here articles are the, a, and. Okay, now we will see how many articles we have. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Over here definite articles are the. When you talk about a unique or specific thing, we use the. What we use? The. And when we talk about general things, then we use a and an. Okay, when we talk about general things, we use a and an. Now we will see when to use a and when to use an. As we all know, there are 26 letters. From it, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. What are vowels? Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. We use an before any of the vowels. Okay, but we use an. And before consonant, we use a. And what are consonants? B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And before this, we use a. Before vowels we use an, and before consonant what we use? A. Okay, and remember how many consonants are there and how many vowels are there. Okay children, and before vowels we use an, and before consonant we use a. Remember it children. Now we will do an example. When to use a and when to use an. I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Over here they are talking about a general apple. They are not talking about a specific apple. So we have used an. Okay children. Now the second one, I want to eat the apple which is at the first position from the group of the apple. Over here they have specific the position of the apple. They are talking about the first apple, so we have used the. Okay children. Now over here they have specific the position of the apple. That's why we are using the. And why we are not using a? Why we are using an? Because apple over here, apple start from a and it is a vowel. That's why we are using an. Use a and for one out of many. Use a when the noun begin with a consonant. For example, a bat, a cat. Acceptance when the vowel u sound like u, y-o-u. Okay. For example, a university, a utensil. Use an when the noun begin with the vowels. For example, an umbrella, an apple. Acceptance when the consonant h is silent. For example, an hour, an honor. Over here, in both the words, h is silent. Okay, what is it? H is silent. Now, use the for specific item. We use the for specific item. For example, the umbrella in the bag. Over here we are talking about specific umbrella and about a specific bag. So the umbrella in the bag. Now the second one, the cat in the tree. Over here we are talking about a specific cat and about a specific tree. So the cat in the tree. Now we are going to do a small exercise. Please write all these questions in your notebook. When to use a, when to use an, and when to use the, or when not to use anything. The first one, last night I stayed home and was Dash television. Dash Mary used to live in Dash country. What do you usually eat for Dash breakfast? What's she doing? She's on Dash phone. Dash Mike is Dash good student. Dash Peter is Dash youngest student in the class. Dash Sydney is Dash interesting city. This class is Dash best class at using articles. Okay, these are 8 questions. Now sentences. Now we are going to do the answers for it. When to use a, when to use and, when to use the, or when not to use anything. Last night I stayed home and watched TV. Here we have not used any articles. Dash Mary, it was Dash Mary. Over here also we have not used any articles. Mary used to live in the city. Okay. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Over here also we have not used any of the articles. What's she doing? She is on the phone. Over here they are used the, because they are talking about specific phone. Okay. Dash Mike. It was Dash Mike. Over here also we have not used any article. Mike is a good student. Dash Peter. It was Lena, but we have not used any of the article. Peter is the youngest student in the class. Dash Sydney it was, but we have not used any articles over here. We have straight away started. Sydney is an interesting city. The class is the best class at using articles. Okay. Thank you everyone. Please write down in your notebook.